So let's go see what we're going to install today.
Ninja summoning jutsu!
Won't be needing this anymore. Okay, so what comes in the box? Shout out to the crew at Bayson R Motorsports for sending me out this APR carbon fiber backing plate. Things that they're really good at is using high quality materials and ensuring that the product gets to your door safely. And before anybody asks, no, I'm not sponsored by Bayson R Motorsports. I've just used their products on my previous cars before, and I've just never had a problem with it before, so that's why I decided to go with more Bayson R parts or order from their store. And I even got a t-shirt from them just because of the hot summer days, and they were kind enough to send me out 2 license plate frames, which I already have. Actually, this is actually even installed onto my car already. Going to be one of the easiest installs we're ever going to do on this channel. This literally, we're going to be taking off 2 license plate bolts, and then I believe APR provides these 2 new license plate bolts you guys are going to use. And for anything cosmetic, you always want to make sure the surface of the area is always clean. And boom, there it is, guys. Like I said, this is going to be the easiest install we've ever done on the channel. What I really like about this, it really gives the car that contrast, and this is such a subtle hint of carbon fiber. It's barely noticeable until you see it. Let me know what you guys think about the carbon fiber trunk plate trim in the comments below, and I'll be sure to read all of them. I know this was a quick video, but if it's not too much trouble to ask, if you guys could take the time out of your day to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, it would really mean a lot to me. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.